We at Supply Technologies have a global network. We've been providing PPE for many, many years now, and we've been able to use them resources to bring stock in around the world on a weekly basis. And we've been able to cope with increased demand because we're used to doing it. We've got extensive stocks, anything from surgical masks, P3s now, P2s, we've got gowns, we've got visors, we've got gloves, what anybody needs to return to work. We supply NHS Wales, every trust there, and the demand, as you can imagine, is rocketed, and we've been able to cope with that no problem. But over the last few weeks, manufacturers have been coming on board as well, and we're keeping up with the demand. But what we're reaching out now is to everybody to say, look, we've got the stocks there, please get in touch. We're helping our customers with stock levels in various ways. Number one, by holding extensive stock levels. Number two is by vending machines. And again, you'll find more on the vending machines, how it works, on our UK website. We at Supply Technologies have got branches right throughout the UK and Ireland. We own Langston Safety Wear, which is based in Swansea. They've been around for decades. We've been able to use their expertise to help our organisation over the last few years and develop the expertise in this market. Please just call one of the UK branches and we'll be able to help out.